The objectives for this video are to define a sample space, define an event, and to learn how to determine a classical probability. Suppose a family has 3 children. What are all of the possible birth outcomes for the 3 children with regard to gender? There could be 3 boys. There could be 2 boys and a girl, where the girl is the youngest, the middle child, or the oldest. There could be 1 boy and 2 girls, where the boy is the oldest, the middle child, or the youngest. The only other possibility would be that all 3 children are girls. A sample space is the set of all possible outcomes of a probability experiment. This collection of outcomes would be the sample space for the birth outcomes for a family with 3 children. An event is a collection of the outcomes of a probability experiment. Classical probability is defined as the number of outcomes in an event divided by the total number of outcomes in the sample space. This would be expressed with probability notation as the probability that event E would occur equal to the number of outcomes in event E divided by the number of outcomes in the sample space. So let's find the probability that the family with 3 children would have exactly 2 boys. There are 3 total outcomes with 3 boys and 8 outcomes in the sample space. So that probability would be 3/8. The probability that the family would have 3 girls would be calculated by finding the number of outcomes with 3 girls, which is 1, and dividing that by the size of the sample space, which is 8. So that probability would be equal to 1 out of 8, or 1/8. In this video, we defined a sample space, we defined an event, and we learned how to determine a classical probability.